This video is for Hammer and Katie. Here's the Spivey Gap trailhead going southbound that Hammer and I were dropped off at to do one of our training hikes, and I'm back here. Except today, I'm gonna go northbound, back into Erwin, and check off 11.5 miles. But I will be back here soon. So many memories. I'm going to try to show you the bridge that's out in Erwin, Tennessee, right across the street from Uncle Johnny's hostel where we're staying. So that's one side of the bridge, and then you've got the river. Oops. And there's where it was supposed to attach. A big chunk of it is right in front of me here. Big, huge piece of cement. And then there's a piece of it down the river, down there. And then the other half of it broke off and it floated down a little bit and is across the river. So, just another example of how strong the waters were when Helene came through and ripped this cement auto bridge right off of its anchors. And now there's a little shuttle in a rubber tube that gets through hikers across the water. Pretty cool.